In this example, we've been asked to differentiate the function y is equal to cos of x squared. Now, as you can see here, we have two functions. We have the function x squared and the cosine function, and the cosine function is acting on the x squared. So in this example, we say this is a function of a function. So when we differentiate a function of a function, we must use the chain rule. Now the chain rule tells us that if we have y equal to f of g of x, so a function of a function, what we must do is set the function inside the other function. We set that equal to u, so we'll set u equal to g of x. So we see that y is now f of u. And then to find the derivative, dy by dx, it's going to be du by dx. So differentiate the function inside the other function, and then multiply by dy by du. So this result here is our chain rule. I think it's easier to illustrate it with the example. So if we look at y is equal to cos of x squared, remember what we said earlier, the function inside the other function is what we call u. So we're going to call u equal to x squared. So that leaves us with y equal to, now y was equal to cos of x squared, but x squared is now u, so y is going to be equal to cos of u. So we've defined our u and we've defined our y. So what else do we need to find? Well, we need to find this du by dx. We see du by dx, it just requires us to differentiate x squared, so that gives us 2x. And then we also need to find dy by du, so we need to differentiate y with respect to u. So dy by du requires us to differentiate cos of u, and we should recall that the derivative of cos of u is minus sine u. So bringing that all together, we see that dy by dx is equal to du by dx, which is 2x, multiplied by dy by du, which was minus sine of u. So rewriting that slightly by bringing that minus sign to the front, we'll get minus 2x times sine of u. But that's not the whole story. We introduce u as a mechanism to help us find dy by dx. This u shouldn't be here in our final answer, so I should replace the u with my original substitution, so u was equal to x squared. So by doing that, I can find my final answer for dy by dx. Dy by dx is going to be equal to minus 2x multiplied by sine of x squared. So we'll rewrite that as minus 2x sine x squared. And that here is the derivative of cos of x squared.